Hi, Cammy. We watching Toodles? Yeah. We're watching Clubhouse. We like our Clubhouse show. Yeah, we like Clubhouse, don't we?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Just sitting in our seat.
Jingle bells all together.
Say, maybe you could put the jingle bells on the harnesses of my reindeer. But they should each get the same number. Right, Twinkle and
Is it funny? Where's Mickey? Where's Mickey? Is he up there?
Jingle bells evenly. Let's put 1, 2,
Was that Mickey?
4, 5 jingle bells on this row, and 1, 2, 3 jingle bells on this row.
They got jingle
Have
bells?
an equal number of jingle bells?
Nope. 'Cause 5 is more than 3.
What if we move 1 jingle bell from the 5 here and add it to the 3 jingle bells here?
Now does each row have an equal number of jingle bells?
1, 2,
3, 4,
and 1, 2,
Hi.
3, 4.
Can you say hi, everybody? I'm watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Put the jingle
Just like my big cousin Liam. I love it.
1, 2, 3, 4 jingle bells for Twinkle,
Ooh.
and 1, 2, 3, 4 jingle bells for Sprocket.